Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my hearts at Fairborn Intermediate School, home of the Skyhawks, and it was a amazing day, kind of hard-hitting, kind of emotional. I got to speak to the fourth and the fifth graders here in Fairborn, Ohio, kind of close to Dayton, Ohio. And standing outside their main lobby here, we have the main sign that says where we show respect, responsibility, safety in everything we do. And the main part of the talk dealt with those key concepts, especially having safe actions, being responsible citizens, and making that positive life choice to show respect no matter what, to see people as you see your own best friend, for their heart before anything as big as our fist. And if we let love and kindness, compassion enter into that fully, we can turn that into this, the peace sign, where we are able to just impact lives and hearts in just 2 seconds, positively or negatively. That's our choice. And we're able to also see people as human beings before anything else too, like the shirt says, one race human. The other part about not only just seeing our hearts before anything else too, we also talk about seeing people for miracles. The M on all of our palms, etched on our palms, that we are able to see that worth not only in ourselves and love ourselves first and make that choice before we can love someone else, but also upside down W for worthy, that we also see the worth in everyone too. Again, I had a great time. A lot of kids reached out to me after my talks and just shared their heart and, spilled whatever's going on, any pain that they're experiencing, whether it was someone that they lost or a name that they were called a few years back, and whatever it might have been. Yes, there were some tears, but it was all healing, and that's the start of feeling again, and where we can finally become these healed people that help to heal other people by showing them that same kindness and love that was shown to us. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to be back again one day soon to share with all of you. You guys are beautiful miracles. Never forget that. Never forget your worth and your value. And peace.